Hello everyone, this is Amulya from Aural Realty. I'm pleased to share with you the latest construction update of July 2025 of Aural Realty's ultra-luxurious project, The Pearl, located in Hi-Tech City. These high-rise residences stand as a shining example of luxury living, with 414 single-floor, single-sky mansions available in two configurations of 5,300 and 5,400 square feet. Let's begin with the update for Phase 1. All the structural works are now complete for the Stellar, the Wellfleet, the Pelican and the Bellon Towers. Terrace waterproofing works have been completed across all 4 towers. In the non-tower area, precast slab erection works have reached 98% completion. Additionally, the east side retaining wall is 90% complete, and the south side common boundary retaining wall is also 90% complete. Moving on to the basement works, vacuum dewatered flooring works have seen significant progress, with the first and second basement levels at 95% completion and the third basement level at 25% completion. Grade slab works on the third basement level have also progressed well, currently at 50% completion. Ceiling painting works in the basement and non-tower areas are progressing steadily, with 65% completion. Firefighting works in these areas is now 50% complete. We are also happy to report that the structural work for the entry portal 1 is progressing well, and the east side compound wall works have also commenced. As for the clubhouse, the structure is completed up to the 3rd floor slab, and work is in progress at a terrace level. Additionally, the clubhouse dome works have begun and are progressing smoothly. That marks the end for Phase 1. Now, moving to the Phase 2. The Duxbury Tower has reached the 15th floor level, while the Austria Tower has reached the 16th floor. The Westport Tower is currently completed up to the 2nd floor level. Meanwhile, excavation works for the STP has commenced. Additionally, the proposed 100 feet approach road has been fully completed and will be directly connected to the main entrance of the Pearl project. As the Pearl continues to evolve in a luxury landmark, we are delighted to offer you a glimpse into the lifestyle that awaits you through the model flat, located in the Bellon Tower on the 4th floor. This concludes the latest update of Pearl, a project that continues to redefine ultra-luxury living. We thank you for joining us on this journey, and also do join us for more timely updates and further exciting developments. This is Amulya signing off.